What's on your arms, Haley? What's on your arms? Show them what's on your arms. What are those, Haley? Sit up. Floaties. Stand up and show them your floaties. Stand up and show them your floaties.
Okay.
Not on the chair. Not on the chair. On the ground. Not on the, don't stand on the chair, silly goose.
This one?
Whoa, Maddie, Ellie, you see those floaties? Say, ask them if they see your floaties. I say, do you see my floaties?
I see my floaties.
Ask Ellie. Say, Ellie, do you have floaties?
My Ellie, do you have floaties?
Yeah, show them your floaties again. Now, Haley, what color are your floaties? Oh, time to go. Luke's getting sad. Say bye, Haley.
Bye, Haley.
No, you're not. You say bye to Ellie and Maddie, silly.
Bye, Ellie.
Alright, say goodbye. Say bye, Luke.
Bye, Luke.
No, Luke wants to eat. You want to eat, Luke? Oh, yeah, Luke wants to eat. Say bye. Okay, Haley, say goodbye again. Say bye, Auntie Nini.
Bye, Auntie.
And Mama Nancy. Say, hey, Mama Nancy, will you blow up my floaties?
I found my floaties.
Mama Nancy, will you blow up my floaties? Are you blowing up your floaties, Haley? Oh my goodness. You're crazy. Say, Mama Nancy, I need your help.
Mama Nancy, I need your help.
Alright, bye guys.